welcome back to the channel, YouTube, everyone. Hey, chat. I purchased my first project car. So this is definitely still a how-to channel, but I am truly a car fan, car girl. Car show season is just now kicking off. We are June 1st. And I purchased a 2008, 150,000 on the dash, Mercedes E350. It's not the C-Class or the S-Class. It's definitely right there in the middle. The front end had a fender bender, so he gave it to me as is for $5,000. Brand new tires. It had just got out of the shop. It does need a wheel alignment. I tightened up the front bumper, and I may do some resin to make it really tight and just glue some things together to make it look really, really good. I polished and bumped out the front lights to get all that cloud off of it, so it looks brand new in the front. I'm adding car covers, car seat covers. What else? A new radio because it's an older radio, and I need a backup camera. What else I'm thinking? So maybe just some different things I want to upgrade it to. I want to learn. Oh, this is my first Mercedes-Benz, so I want to kind of learn the ins and outs about Mercedes. I've been watching tons and tons of videos. So otherwise, it looks very good. It is definitely a luxury car, foreign car, whatever people want to call it. It feels good driving. It's a very smooth drive, but it's older and it needs some upgrades. It's one of those, I want it to be my daily driver car. So I want to have it kitted with everything I need. I definitely need some tints on it. The exterior is white. The interior is black with a brown tannish finish. So I'm thinking about adding a little of dark navy or some blues to it just to give it a hint of color. I did find some old car mats in the garage. So come with me on this journey. My first project car. I still have the Impala. I think it's a 70 or 69 in the garage that was going to be my next project car, but I picked this up and fell in love with it. Me and white cars, right? They're so clean and gorgeous. But again, on this journey, as we learn and discover and play around and get to know the Mercedes-Benz E350.